Once you've created your store, head over to the Products tab and click New Product to start adding your first items. In the product editor, you'll define your product's name, add a compelling description, upload high-resolution images for your gallery, and set your pricing. Next, let's focus on designing your product listing pages. Go to the e-commerce section and select Products. You'll find pre-built components you can customize or create your own visually appealing grid layouts to showcase your offerings effectively. For each product, we'll design individual product pages. This is where you can add more detailed descriptions, specifications, customer reviews, and calls to action to encourage purchases. Think about your brand's aesthetic and translate it into every element. Now, let's create captivating category pages. This involves organizing your products logically using filters and sorting options. Ensuring customers can easily find what they're looking for, we'll use Webflow's grid and list elements for a clean and intuitive display. The checkout process is crucial for conversions. Webflow offers a streamlined, customizable checkout flow. We'll adjust the layout and design elements to match your brand's look and feel, making it a seamless and trustworthy experience for your customers. Finally, we'll integrate essential elements like Add to Cart, buttons, and cart icons, ensuring they are prominently placed and visually appealing on all your product and category pages for maximum visibility and ease of use.